Hello everyone, welcome back to Editing Friday, and today I'll be editing an amazing portrait I took for Mary on her wedding day, and it's gonna be amazing. You can see the spot healing brush is what I use. Just remove things you don't want, like pimples and the rest, other things you don't want, just remove them. Okay, I'm good. So next thing I would do is I would try to like whiten the eyes and teeth. I love doing that first, I don't know why. So whitening eyes and teeth, I have it here, so play. Good. Next is whitening of teeth, so let's whiten the teeth, and here I put it to 50 opacity, and here is 100, so just paint a little bit. Okay, whiten teeth. Then the eyes here, come here, I put this to 100, this will be 100, so just paint. Okay. Yeah, so the eyes is too white. Take it down to 70. Yeah, so 70 is good. Okay, good. 70 is good for me. Okay, so copy merge. I'm using a Mac, so I will press Command Option Shift E. Zoom in. Okay, good. Next thing is frequency separation. I come down, go to my flame action. Yes, it's 16 bits, so play, continue. Let me use 10. Okay, this is good. Come here, lasso tool. Yes. Okay. Select the area you want with lasso tool. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur, 10. Okay. Deselect. Control D for deselect on a Mac. Okay. Oh, that's wrong. So let me do another one. Have another selection. Okay. Yes. So okay. Okay. Let's see before and after. This is before, after. You can see just little change. Okay. Go to the neck. You go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. Okay, before and after. This is fair enough. I do the hand. Just select, so select the area you want to apply the blur, and okay, filter, Gaussian blur. Okay, Command D. So I'm good. Next thing is I want to work on the skin. So HF here, that's what the texture. S, clone stamp tool. Just clean out little things I want to remove. Okay. Yes, this is nice. Okay, so remove this, all this. This is nice. Very. Okay. So just texture. I'm still on HF. Okay, just cleaning textures out. Okay. Yeah, so this is good. The next thing, we're coming back to low F. We're working on the skin mixer brush. This is mixer brush, okay. So here, try to mix. Let me see what I can do. Just watch it. Be careful with mixer brush, just do it a little bit. And just mixing the area. So before, after, wow. Yeah, before, after. This night, come back here. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, before, after, before, after. So this is nice. The next thing is dodge and burn. So I'll click on darks, plate, continue, lights, plate, continue. Good. I'm on dark, so I'll paint with black, and lights I paint with white. Before brush, come here. So back to normal brush. So here I make sure that my brush flow is 5 for a start. Then go in. Okay, this is what can happen. Okay, some lights here. Make it a bit big. Please remember, if it's too much, you can use opacity from this side here. That's up here above the layer. You will see the opacity there. You can use opacity of the light or the darks if it's too much. But now I'm on 5, so just how it looks like here. Okay. Yeah, 50 is good for me. 50 is good. So I come here, a little bit here. Okay. Blacks. Darks now. It's too much. So 2. I'll just do 2. Okay, so this. Okay. Okay, so this before, after, before, after. Most times I'm good like this. I'll just move ahead. Yeah, you can see it's okay. So this is the before, after. So it's good. If you want to do more work on it, it all depends on you. But for me, at this stage, I think I'm good. I might also want to adjust this place sometimes. But remember, little is good enough. After I'm done with this, sometimes I add a lot on it. Like I have my lot I created for myself, and a bright called the earthly tones. So I come over here, I go to color lookup, load, documents, abyss lots, and I have my lots here. So I'll go to movie look. As you can see, it has a kind of greenish feel to it, like a movie. So this is kind of nice. Okay, I think I like this. Just a little bit. Yeah. So before, after, you see, just a little bit before, after. Add a bit of levels to it if you want to. For the highlights to pop, let's say 50. Before, after. Wow. So I'm good like this. Remember, you can always work some more if you want to, but for me, at this stage, I think I'm good. As you can see, it looks good, looks natural, and I'm good. So this is the before, this is the after. Wow. Thank you for watching. Remember to keep shooting and editing. Have a nice day.